Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a video ringtone, guys. So it's actually pretty easy to do it. I'm not sure this is a feature on all Android devices, but it is a feature on any Huawei later Huawei models. So yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. If you guys want to do it, it's actually pretty easy to do. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. But before we do, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down to sound and vibration. So you can see right there, sound and vibration. Click that, and from here, once you guys are here, you guys are going to want to scroll down to ringtones, phone ringtone right here. And as you guys can see, the third option, video ringtones, you guys are going to click that. So from here, you guys can actually select a few different videos, whatever sort of video you guys want to put, you guys can put. For this purpose of this video, I'm just gonna try this one right here. So as you guys can see, it gives you like a preview of how it will be. So all you guys have to do is click set, and yeah, that's basically it, and it's already set. As you guys can see the tick right next to the video. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys be able to do it, and if you guys want me to do any other tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. With that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.